Hi friends, my name is Deepak and you are watching TechSkill YouTube channel. Before we get started, if you are new to TechSkill YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for future video notification. So without wasting any time, let's get started today's tutorial. So friends, in the previous tutorial we have seen list data type as well as tuples data type. So if you have not watched, please go and watch the previous video. I will give the link in the description. So in this tutorial, we'll see about set data type in Python. So friend, set in Python is a data structure which is equivalent to sets in mathematics, and it may consist of various elements, like the order of elements in a set is undefined. You can add, delete elements of a set. You can iterate the element of a set. You can perform standard operation on sets. Besides that, you can also check if an element belongs to a set. Any immutable data type can be an element of a set. We can take number, string and a tuple also. Okay. Mutable data type cannot be element of set. In particular, like list cannot be an element of a set, but tuple can be, and another set cannot be an element of set. So the requirement of immutability follows the way how do computers represent sets in memory. So let's see how to create the set. Okay. So sets can be represented using curly braces. Okay. That means like this. So we can use curly braces to represent set. Okay. And also we can use set function to represent set. So we'll see it practically. So how to create the set. Okay. So let me take a variable, then within curly braces, so you write all the elements. Okay. So 10, 20, again I have taken 10, next I have taken TechSkill, next I have taken 30 and 40. Okay. So this is how you define set. Now to confirm, check what is the type of S. Now you can see it is, the class is set. Okay. Now if I will print the value of S, now you can see. So while defining the set, you can see how we have taken the order. Okay. And while displaying it, you can see the order is changed. Okay. And you can see, observe one thing, I have taken two values, 10, but here only one value is there. That means duplicates are not allowed in set. Okay. And order is not important in case of set. Now how to access the element of a set, right? So index is not applicable in set because order is not there, right? So if you have to see set, so take just S and it will display all the elements. Okay. How to add element to set? Okay. If I write S dot add and I want to add 50, now you can see print S. So you can see 50 is added. How to remove the element from set using remove function? I want to remove, let's say 10. and print of s. Now you can see, so 10 is removed from the set. Now friends, tell me, this is okay, if I will declare, how we can define an empty set. So I have defined. So what is this? This is a set or something else. So let's see. So how can we find out if this element is a type? What is the type of this element? So print type of s. Now you can see, so this is not set, this is dict, so which we are going to discuss in our next video. So it is not empty set, it is dict. So this is the default behavior. So how to create the empty set? So s equal to, we have to use set function. Okay, s equal to set. So now if you will see, print type of s. So this is how you will create a empty set. As in the beginning I told that set can be created, either using curly braces or using set function. Okay, so to create empty set, so we have to take set function. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. So please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have anything, please do mention in the comment box, and stay tuned for more such video. Till then, bye bye.